Tel Aviv, Jaffa is one of the most fascinating urban spaces in the Mediterranean world, a single municipality made of two very different historical and cultural identities that exist side by side. Tel Aviv represents modernity, innovation, speed, and global connectivity, while Jaffa carries the memory of thousands of years of maritime trade, cultural exchange, and ancient civilization. Together, they form a city that is both rooted in deep history and constantly reinventing itself. To understand this unique place, one must begin with Tel Aviv, which today dominates the political, cultural, and economic life of the metropolitan area. Tel Aviv was founded in 1909 by a small group of Jewish families who wanted to create a new kind of city outside the crowded and unsanitary conditions of Jaffa. They settled on empty sand dunes north of the old port city and named their neighborhood Ahuset Bayit, later changing it to Tel Aviv, a symbolic name that blended ancient heritage with the idea of rebirth. From the beginning, Tel Aviv was planned as a modern, organized, and forward-looking city with wide streets, public spaces, and a commitment to cleanliness, education, and cultural life. Unlike the organic growth of older Middle Eastern cities, Tel Aviv was deliberately designed as a European-style urban experiment in the Middle East. During the British Mandate period, especially in the 1920s and 1930s, Tel Aviv experienced explosive growth due to large waves of Jewish immigration from Europe. Many of these immigrants were professionals, architects, artists, and intellectuals who brought modern ideas with them. This is when the city acquired much of its distinctive architectural character. Thousands of buildings were constructed in the Bauhaus and International style, creating what is now known as the White City. These buildings, designed to suit the local climate with balconies, flat roofs, and open spaces, gave Tel Aviv a unique visual identity and made it one of the most architecturally important modernist cities in the world. At the same time, Tel Aviv became the center of Hebrew cultural life. Writers, journalists, poets, and political thinkers gathered in its cafes and publishing houses. The Hebrew language, which had only recently been revived as a spoken language, was shaped and modernized in the streets of Tel Aviv. Newspapers, theaters, and schools made the city a cultural engine for the entire Jewish community in the region. Unlike Jerusalem, which was dominated by religion and tradition, Tel Aviv was secular, progressive, and experimental, embracing a new urban lifestyle. When the State of Israel was declared in 1948, Tel Aviv was at the heart of the event. The Declaration of Independence took place in a simple building on Rothschild Boulevard, and for a short time Tel Aviv served as the country's capital. Through independence, the city absorbed huge numbers of immigrants from Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa. New neighborhoods were built quickly, and the population expanded dramatically. These immigrants brought with them diverse traditions, cuisines, music, and ways of life, turning Tel Aviv into a mosaic of cultures that still defines the city today. Over the following decades, Tel Aviv evolved into Israel's main economic and technological center. It became the home of the country's stock exchange, major banks, media companies, and later, the heart of the high-tech industry. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, Tel Aviv gained an international reputation as a global startup hub, often referred to as part of Silicon Wadi. Thousands of entrepreneurs, engineers, and investors from around the world are drawn to the city, contributing to its fast pace and global outlook. Skyscrapers and modern office towers now dominate parts of the skyline, reflecting the city's economic success. Despite this rapid development, Tel Aviv has retained a strong neighborhood-based identity. Areas like Neve Tzedek, Florentine, Kerem Hatamanim, and Old North Tel Aviv each have their own atmosphere and social life. Street cafes, small grocery stores, bakeries, and family-run restaurants continue to thrive alongside global brands and luxury developments. Markets such as Carmel Market and Levinsky Market remain vital centers of everyday life, offering fresh food, spices, and street snacks that reflect the city's multicultural roots. The residents of Tel Aviv are among the most diverse and dynamic in the region. The city is home to students, artists, entrepreneurs, immigrants, families, and retirees. It is known for its openness and liberal values, making it a center for LGBTQ+ life, activism, and creative expression. Tel Aviv's nightlife is famous far beyond Israel, with clubs, bars, and live music venues operating late into the night. This energy contributes to its reputation as a city that never truly rests. The Mediterranean Sea plays a central role in shaping Tel Aviv's identity. The city's long beachfront is open to the public and serves as a major recreational space. People jog, cycle, swim, surf, and relax along the shore, creating a unique blend of urban life and natural beauty. The beach is a democratic space where people from all backgrounds mix, reinforcing the city's informal and open social culture. Presence of the sea also influences the city's architecture, climate, and overall atmosphere. Tel Aviv is also the cultural capital of Israel. It is home to major museums, theaters, concert halls, and galleries. Tel Aviv Museum of Art, Habima Theater, and numerous independent cultural spaces offer a constant flow of exhibitions, performances, and festivals. Street art, especially in the southern parts of the city, adds another layer to Tel Aviv's cultural landscape, giving voice to social issues and youthful creativity. Universities and research institutions, particularly Tel Aviv University, contribute to a lively intellectual environment. Yet Tel Aviv is not without its challenges. Housing prices are extremely high, making it difficult for many young people and families to live in the city. Traffic congestion, environmental concerns, and social inequality pose ongoing problems. There is also a visible divide between the wealthier northern and central areas and the poorer southern neighborhoods. Still, the city continues to attract people who are willing to face these challenges in exchange for the opportunities, freedom, and energy that Tel Aviv offers. While Tel Aviv represents modern Israel, it cannot be separated from Jaffa, the ancient port city to its south. Jaffa, or Yafo, is one of the oldest ports in the world, with a history that stretches back more than 4,000 years. It has served as a gateway to the land for traders, pilgrims, and conquerors, including Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, Ottomans, and many others. Long before Tel Aviv was founded, Jaffa was the main link between this region and the Mediterranean world. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, Jaffa was a thriving Arab city and one of the most important ports in the eastern Mediterranean. Its famous oranges were exported around the world, making the name Jaffa internationally known. The city was cosmopolitan, with Arab, Jewish, and European communities living and working together. Tel Aviv began as a small Jewish neighborhood on the outskirts of Jaffa before eventually growing into a much larger city. In 1948, Jaffa was incorporated into Tel Aviv, becoming part of the unified municipality of Tel Aviv Jaffa. Over time, it developed into a mixed city with Arab and Jewish residents, artists, and immigrants. Despite urban renewal and gentrification, Jaffa has preserved much of its historic character, with narrow streets, old stone buildings, mosques, churches, and markets. Port of Jaffa remains the symbolic heart of the city. Although it is no longer a major commercial harbor, it continues to function as a fishing port and a cultural space. Small fishing boats, seafood restaurants, galleries, and performance venues line the waterfront. Port connects the modern metropolis to its ancient maritime past, reminding residents and visitors that the sea has always been central to life here. In this way, Jaffa and its port provide a deep historical foundation for the restless, forward-looking spirit of Tel Aviv.